Hello, I'm Driver Master, your driving instructor. Today we're going to learn how to back out of a tight parallel parking space, which is exactly the case when your car is very tightly pressed on both sides. It's actually quite easy. Just follow all the instructions in this video and you'll be fine. On my channel, you can find even more training videos on all types of parking lots. Be sure to watch them if you want to be a parking master. Subscribe to the channel and we'll get started. Please note that if parking spaces are located along the roadway, be sure to make sure that it is safe for both you and other drivers. Keep your eyes on the roadway at all times and be careful. First of all, when you are being pressed very tightly on both sides, there is no point in trying to exit the first time, as you will hit the car in front of you with your front bumper. For novice drivers who are not yet fully aware of the dimensions of their car and are very afraid of hitting other cars, we recommend asking someone for help. We are sure that you will not be denied. The person who will help you can show you the distance to other cars with their hands, so you will understand the dimensions of your car even more clearly by comparing the distance you see while in the car. In this case, our car is white and we will be driving in the left direction. If you need to drive in the right direction, just do the same, only in the opposite direction. How do we get out of a tight parking lot? Let's get started. Step 1. Before you start driving, don't forget to turn on the left turn signal so that other drivers understand what you are doing. Turn the steering wheel to the right, engage reverse gear, and drive as close as possible to the gray car. If your wheels are too close to the curb, simply back up as close as possible to the gray car with straight wheels. Step 2. Now turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and get as close as possible to the car in front of you. It should be noted that if you have enough space to get out completely, go ahead. It appears that you are not too much squeezed by other cars. If there is not enough room to get out at once, and this is completely normal, so do not worry. Moving on to the next step. Step 3. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right again and slowly back up, getting as close as possible to the vehicle behind you. Step 4. Now turn the wheels to the left again and try to drive out. Usually 4 approaches should be enough for you. But if you still don't have enough space, repeat the previous steps again, moving forward and then backward. You will definitely reach the point where your car can leave. Congratulations! By following these instructions, you will now be able to get out of the most difficult places without any problems. If you're watching our video from a country where left-hand traffic and the steering wheel are on the right, just follow the steps in the mirror. Step 1. Find a suitable location where your vehicle will visually fit. To safely execute the maneuver, ensure the gap is at least 1.5 times the length of your car. Experienced drivers might manage with less space, while novices may require additional room for a safety buffer when maneuvering in and out of the parking spot. Step 2. Position yourself parallel to the vehicle in front of you, keeping a distance of 2 to 3 feet or 1 meter. You can use your vehicle's side mirrors to do this. Align the right passenger side mirror with the driver's side mirror of the vehicle you intend to park behind. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and slowly reverse until you can see the 2 headlights of the car behind you in your left mirror. Step 3. Straighten your vehicle's wheels in reverse until the front of your vehicle is over the rear bumper of the vehicle in front of you. Step 4. Turn your vehicle's wheels to the left and continue to reverse until your car is level with the vehicle behind you. Step 5. Straighten the wheels again and move forward slightly to get into the correct position. So let's review the procedure. 1. Find a large enough parking space. 2. Place the vehicle parallel to the vehicle in front of you. 3. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and start reversing. 4. Straighten the wheels and drive in reverse some more. 5. Turn the wheels fully to the left and level the vehicle. Parallel parking poses a significant challenge for novice drivers. Initially, mastering parallel parking is daunting due to the precise maneuvers required to align the vehicle accurately within the parking space. So what does it take to master parallel parking? More practice, of course. Find a less busy stretch of road with free parking spaces and practice well. This will give you the opportunity not to get confused when parking on those parts of the road where there is more traffic. If you are afraid of damaging other cars, you can practice parking with cones first. If there are no cones, use big water bottles. Here's how to do it. Find a vacant stretch of road. Take two cones and place them about 15 feet apart to create an area the size of a real parking space. Practice until you understand the maneuver and feel confident in your ability to parallel park. After that, you can move on to real situations with real parking spaces. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. I am the Drive Master, your driving instructor. Drive safely and take care.